Okay, of all the ways we have found to make money online in 2021 by like basically doing nothing, or at least doing the things you're already doing, this one has got to take the cake. Listen, you're watching YouTube right now, and I do appreciate you watching my video, but what if I told you there's an alternative to YouTube? There's an alternate YouTube that pays you to watch the videos, okay? What would you say if I told you that? Well, you'd probably say, wait, I've been watching videos for free this whole time? No, that's not acceptable. I'd like to now get paid to watch videos. So Online Moneymaker, how do I sign up for this? How do I get involved today? Well, I'm gonna get you started on that, but what if I also told you, I'm gonna also show you a way where you don't even have to watch the videos, period, and still get paid. What would you then say to that? You'd say, well, now my head has exploded because this sounds too good to be true, and I'd say it's absolutely true. And then you'd say, well, this has got to cost me something. How much is this going to cost me to do this? And I'd say nothing. It's absolutely free. And then you'd ask, is it available in my country? And I'd say, yes, it is. By now you're thinking, I need to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. How do I subscribe to Online Moneymaker? All you're gonna do is push the little red subscribe button at the bottom. That's it. Once you do that, I'm gonna show you how you can make money watching videos. As long as you like video channels like Adventure, Best Life, Celebrity, Chillax, Food, Gaming, Laughs, Movie Buzz, Music, Tech Talk, TV Party, viral videos, then you're gonna get paid to watch those. No, there's no adult entertainment. Get your mind out of the gutter. Actually, if any of you know a way that you can get paid to watch adult entertainment, please let me know in the comments, because I would be rich by now. I'm just kidding. You can do this from your computer, your tablet, or your phone. Just go to the Google App Store and download the app. It's available on iOS and Android devices. Also, they have a little referral program. If you get any of your friends to sign up for this app, you will get 15% of anything they make for life. Don't tell them that. Just tell them you're making money the easy way watching videos. Get them to sign up through you, and you take 15% of their money. They're not even gonna know it. If you're nice, you'll let them in on the little secret hack I've got at the end of this video, the one where you're gonna make quadruple your money without even watching the videos. If you're nice, you'll fill them in on that little secret. Listen, that's only gonna benefit you, because again, you're gonna make 15% of everything they make anyway, so you might as well tell them the hack that's coming up at the end of the video. So you're probably wondering exactly how much money you can earn watching videos through this site. Well, to be honest with you, what they say is the average user gets about $10 per month in passive income. Now, keep in mind, these are people that do not know the hack that I know that's gonna make you probably about 40 bucks a day if you're consistent with it, but that's 40 bucks a day free, and they cash you out. They can put it right into your bank account. They can put it into your PayPal account. So 40 bucks a day is not bad. And with a huge stockpile of videos here, you're gonna always have something to watch. You're gonna always find something entertaining. So you're never gonna get bored with this. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna be making money every time you're watching one of these videos. All you have to do to get started is go to HideoutTV.co. HideoutTV.co. Sign up is free, simple, and fast. Just choose a username. You have to put in a valid email address, because they will ask you to verify that email. Click that you're not a robot, sign me up, and there you go. Now you're gonna get paid to watch videos. Are a couple things you need to avoid so you do not get your account suspended. For instance, creating multiple accounts can get you suspended. Automatically skipping content. That means if you have some sort of auto clicker on your device, they'll kick you off eventually. And the device limits thing, use only 3 devices per household, and never use more than 1 screen per device, okay? Things you can do is you can skip videos you don't like, and you can use the Google Chrome browser for all this. Okay, now you're gonna wanna pay attention, because we're gonna get to the hacks, and there's a few of them, so you might wanna like break out a piece of paper, take some notes, or even just watch this video over again, okay? This website's stupid. They don't even know how much we can take advantage of them and just like quadruple the money. So now's the time you gotta pay attention. Don't forget that after you learn these hacks, how to take advantage of Hideout TV, then you gotta get your friends and family on board and teach them the same hacks. You don't have to tell them that you're gonna be making 15% of all their earnings but the more they know, the more you're going to get paid. Makes sense? So just go to your Hideout TV account, click on the referrals page, and they'll just generate you a little link like this. Now that is kind of a long link, so I would just go to bit.ly.com. We've talked about that website on here a bunch of times, bitly.com, and you can shorten that link for free and it doesn't look as shady. Okay, let's go back real quick to things to avoid. Multiple accounts. Okay, there's no way around that one. You don't want to create multiple accounts. Okay, now look at this one. Use only 3 devices per household and never use more than 1 screen per device. Okay, we're gonna get around that one pretty easily. Let me show you how. So when you're operating Hideout TV on your computer, you need to do it through the Google Chrome browser. If you don't already have Google Chrome downloaded on your computer, get it done. Okay, once you're in Google Chrome, then you're only going to be operating Hideout TV through an incognito window. Okay, this is how we're going to get around the multiple tabs little rule they got. So you'll come to the right hand corner where mine says update, yours will probably say something different, and just open up a new incognito window like that, and then you're going to launch Hideout TV from there, and you're going to do that on as many tabs as you can possibly open up. You're going to turn down the volume on everything and let it run, and that's how you're going to basically get money times 20. When you're ready to launch Hideout TV on your incognito browsers, all you're going to do is go just type videos, and like 6,000 videos are going to show up, and you're just going to play the first one and let it go. Open up a new incognito tab, play it again, let it go, and all these are going to run through. And then there's something else I suggest you do. When you click on the first video to get it started in your incognito window, you want to pause the video right off the bat, and you want to come down to this wheel right here, and then you want to change the resolution. Make sure the resolution is on 240p, the lowest resolution, because this is going to use less of your Wi-Fi. If you're running this on multiple devices in your house, Wi-Fi could get jammed up, so make sure everything's on the lowest resolution. Now, Hideout TV does tell you that you can run it on up to 3 devices in your house, but if you're running everything in Google Chrome's incognito windows, you could run it on 300 devices. Just make sure everything, the first video you start running, you switch the resolution to 240p, save some Wi-Fi. If for some reason you don't want to run it off Google Chrome, or you can't get Google Chrome onto your computer, then there's 2 other sites that you can access your Hideout TV account through. So you can run it on a total of 3 different sites. So aside from Hideout TV itself, you can go to gg2u.org, sign up for an account here. Not only is it free, but you'll get $1 for sign up. So tell the wife you're taking her to dinner. So just sign up here, and this site you can do other things like play video games for money, take surveys, whatever. But the fact of the matter is, the point here is that you can access your Hideout TV account through this. The other one you can do that through is earnably.com. You can also access your Hideout TV account through here. And again, this has a number of different things you can do to make money, like, you know, playing games, taking surveys, watching just little ads, and of course, everything's paying you right into your PayPal account. The other thing you can do if you want is pay attention to their social media pages, like their Instagram and their Facebook, because once a week they throw up a promo code that you can type into your Hideout TV account, and it gives you tons of free points towards your next cash out. It's basically just free money. That's only if you want to spend the extra time doing that. Just keep an eye on their Facebook page. So now you know another way from Online Moneymaker how you can go out and hack some website and get some free money. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss anything we got coming up. Let's make that money. This is Online Moneymaker.